Chuk.
On behalf of our LPC party, we have attended meeting. Honorable Notice Agriculture Mr. P is
What was the main agenda?
just previous 5 years we have coalition government with the English, many issue we have submitted and regarding the last previous 5 years. Our honorable late MC therefore some agenda was passed in cabinet. That matter we just discussed.
Was Triplaland in that? Triplaland?
It is our core demand.
You have raised that issue?
Discuss regarding our issue.
Thank you. Will ask. Meeting was held. Can we say that it was with the interlocutor the meeting held?
We have met the advisor of Government of India, Northeast Affair, Mr. Airport. And then our core demand we have placed before. Definitely he is going to convey the same to the Union government. That's end of it.
But the same issue was already brought before the Union Home Minister. So what is the development of this meeting?
Definitely there is development. Otherwise, why meeting after meeting will take place? Things will get good shape. Things are progressing.
Is it output of the threat that the Tipramota has said that they will block the roads and other things?
You see, blocking the road is part of the democratic protest. If required, we'll do so. But since the talk is going, let it happen, let it go. We'll see that what we can do next. But as of now, we have placed our demand through the advisor of Northeast Affairs. Let us see.
Sir, a minister was there in the meeting or he had met separately?
Minister was not
Yeah.
with the Government of India officials.
No, Tripura's Minister Suklacharan was also.
See, they had different views. We had different. And other groups are also having.
What do you mean by other groups?
Samaj Prati.
Okay, Samaj Party. So we found that after around 6 years later, IPFT has again raised the issue on this, and they have met in Delhi when you people are also meeting. Is it politically significant, sir?
We are politicians and everything is part of